Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by measuring the edge and cutting the tape about 0.5 to 1 mm long on each end so trimming is clean. Once cut, clean and degrease the substrate. You want no dust or oil. Preheat your iron or hot melt gun to the recommended medium setting and position the tape with the adhesive side down. Press briefly at one end to tack it in place. This establishes alignment so you can apply heat and pressure down the length without shifting. Once tacked, move along the edge applying steady heat and firm pressure. You want the adhesive to activate uniformly. Make sure to use a roller or a flat block to press the tape into any profile. This improves contact and reduces bubbles. After cooling briefly, trim flush with a sharp trim knife or fine-tooth chisel, cutting toward the tape so you don't gouge the substrate. Sand very lightly if needed to blend the seam, and wipe clean to inspect the bond. To finish, sand lightly and buff the seam so the tape matches the surface. Once done, clean off dust and inspect edges. If you find small lifts, reheat the area and press with a roller. This usually reactivates the adhesive and seals it. For larger delamination, remove the failed section, apply contact cement, and reinstall fresh tape. Make sure to keep a clean, sharp blade and spare strip handy so you can repair nicks quickly and maintain a professional edge.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.